Are you looking for the best stud finder? In this video we will look at some of the best stud finder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Bosch GLM5023G Stud Finder. The laser measure GLM5023G Professional offers a highly durable design and green laser spot with integrated inclinometer. Thanks to the IP65 protection certified design and a shock-absorbing rubber casing, the tool is protected against jet water and ingress of dust. Intuitive handling is ensured by its smart user interface with many helpful features such as a high-end color display, a handy help function and a dedicated favorite shortcut button. Being able to calculate material needs, room and wall areas, it is the ideal choice for architects, electricians, and many other professionals. It comes with a dedicated favorite shortcut button. Users can then instantly access the preset measuring function by simply pressing the favorite button without the need to scroll through the HMI. Number 2, Xiaomi MIJIA WX085 Stud Finder. WX085 detects metal/wood/AC wires. The three modes satisfy operators' normal detection needs in home improvement. The metal mode scanner has a max detection depth of 100 mm, telling precisely the location and the distance of the metal or nails inside the wall. The wood mode helps to detect the beams etc. up to 38 mm, and the AC mode detects the live AC wires quickly and efficiently. It meets almost all detection requirements one needs in home improvement. Advanced sensor technology and high accuracy. WX085 adopts advanced and high-performance magnetic sensor to provide greater accuracy. It avoids interference resulting in inaccurate measurement, helping operators to dig or drill precisely on the target, and reducing unnecessary mistakes or loss. Calibration shall not be a complex thing anymore. It starts immediately once this stud finder is powered. A correct calibration before your reach detection could ensure you more reliability and accuracy. Just move it around as you need and it would make your project better and efficiently. Anyone can use it now. WX085 avoids unclear or wrong reading due to dim, making your scan result easier to read. This wall scanner is equipped with a large HD LCD display, showing that the direction and intensity of beeping indicates whether you are closer to the target. All these makes your scanning project more accurate and easier with less efforts. Number 3, FNIRSI WD01 Stud Finder. This wall detector scanner can help you to quick locate edges and center metal, studs, joists, pipes and live AC wire behind walls, floors and ceiling. The HPC detection module can makes this wall detector scanner with better anti-interference capacity and faster calculating speed. The screen will display the target depth, arrive at the detection center and the material. The indicator light will lights up yellow or red depending on the target distance. The green light means no target. It will also beep when a target is detected. It will continuous alerts when reaching the center. This tool can be widely used in your home decoration, wall decoration, household appliance installation, highway maintenance and so on. Center positioning hole design. You can directly mark the drilling position after detection and achieve precision drilling. Number 4, Mileseey WD10 Stud Finder. The wall detector can detect metals magnetic and non-magnetic, wood and live cables hidden in walls, ceilings and floors. Automatic material classification classifies magnetic metal 8 cm, non-magnetic metal 5 cm, AC cable 5 cm, and wood 2 cm, for accurately location. Adopts with high sensitivity sensor to improve the detecting accuracy. Indicator light change to red and buzzer sounds up once detecting metals. According to the strength of the detected metal, the indicator light changes among red strong metal signal, green no metal, and orange weak metal signal. 2.2-inch large LCD screen with backlight display the measured data clearly and intuitively. Protect the detector from dusty environment. suitable for various working conditions. 2 PCS fluff pads increase the flatness of the detector, thus enhance the stability during detecting. Number 5. UNI-T UT387E Stud Finder. The new UT387 series wall scanners are used to detect a variety of objects behind the wall. Designed with multiple measurement modes and additional function to conveniently measure the laser distance and wood moisture detection. It is widely used in home renovation, home improvement and DIY projects. Features: detect wood, alternating current, metal objects, 30 groups of historical measurement data storage, single/continuous/area measurement, single Pythagorean, double Pythagorean measurement, multiple unit switching, addition, subtraction, cumulative measurement, 300 mAh lithium battery, Type-C USB direct charge, wood moisture measurement,